Somebody's going to be going on the top 5 tourist destinations anywhere on the globe. So I want to go to my left-hand side. Right to my left-hand side, we have Bangkok. Across the street from Main Plaza, on my left-hand side, we have the San Fernando Casino. San Fernando Casino across the street on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday night. The free lights show was first on the lights. 3 to 1 and all. Seen the light show before this dynamite. You're going to be around tomorrow night. And I'm going to do the San Antonio was, according to Forbes magazine 3 years ago, the 3 fastest growing cities in the U.S. are Austin, Texas, San Antonio, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, my friend. They're building 25,000 single-family homes right now, 61 gas stations, 31 strip malls, and multiple lanes of highway, apartment complexes, and restaurants. I want everybody to look over to my right-hand side. Right to my right-hand side is the Esquire Tavern. The Esquire Bar opened up in 1933, the same day Prohibition came to an end. How about that? They find it out. Yeah. What are the odds? I'm sure that happened all the country members. Public law Prohibition was an end over that. When we come up to the SX Theater, my friend. Anybody remember Charles movie? All right. Charles movie days in the early 1900s, Charlie Chaplin and Ross Alamo. Well, that was a very popular time in American history. I want to look to my right-hand side, folks. The Aztec Theater on my right-hand side right here went up with the South Movie Theater in 1905. Charlie Chaplin, Three Stooges, Charlie and Groucho Marx all performed there. The Asian musical entertainment venue to over 7,000 people. Musical actors, comedians, all the country come in. Now, folks, I want to look to my left-hand side. What's right there to my left-hand side is called the Lamont Sion. Lamont Sion on my left-hand side is the largest hotel in the city, 1,625 rooms. It's also the second hotel built in the city, opened up in 1969. How many restaurants we have on Riverwalk Ave? 78 restaurants, my friend. A lot of restaurants, right? So we serve millions and millions of people every year down there, my friend. You know, every January they bring the river to clean it. But January they put 1,000 south homes in the river. Oh yeah. Not just about 2,500, my friend. Keep in mind, about 60 million people visit it every year, 15 million people visit the Riverwalk, so it's really not that many. Once it goes in the water and it's actually frames it, I'm not sure you don't have to pull back anyway. So. Extra charges, you know where it came from. What a nice breeze. It's absolutely perfect weather out here. Now people ask how cold does it get. The coldest it usually ever gets out here in the middle of January goes to more than 38 degrees. This past January for 3 days in a row, the high for the day was 27, the low was 14. The low was 15 out here this past January, the 115 here. Everything out here is closed, my friend. Everything changed. All right, close. Close up over to my book to my left-hand side, right into the Colorado School South. That's an example, and opened up in 1930. It's actually up. San Antonio is a city in the move. All right, here's a breakdown. A multiple people move here. 18% of the people move every year move here to retire. About 64%, the biggest demographic, move here to buy a home and start a family. And a lot of people move here to go to school. We have 21 colleges here with 13 universities. I like to call Central the Melvin Park. We got something for everybody. You want to buy, want to retire, buy a home, raise a family. just checking out, which is design from all that. We have something for everybody over here. You don't have any snow. Last time it snowed in 85 and, you know, we've had, you have to wait a long time. So there's not nothing to snow here to about everything else. Now in June, July, and August, the average daily temperature 95% of the time is above 89 degrees, my friend. So it's a definitely warm summer. Now summer in New England, Mark Park starts in June. Summer already starts in the middle of April already. We consider this summer, it's already started out here, right? I'm sure you can feel so like summer already, right? Even though it's only beginning of May 1st already. We've already started. All the water parks are already open for the season, my friend. And the Guadalupe River is open for the season as well. You'll tune in this week if you want. Well, I want to look to my right inside. This building on my right inside right here is called the Casino Club building. It's built in 1927 as a private club. What does a private club mean? If they liked you, got voted in. If they did, you didn't get in. You rent the two-bedroom apartment in that building in 1927, $5 a month, my friend. Imagine renting a house for $5 a month. That would be nice. That was back in 1927, a long time ago. Folks, we also have some baby decks out here today. In fact, they're right to my right inside. All right, look to the right front of the boat. See the veranda? See it right there? See the baby deck? It's swinging with it. Look at my, that's a cute fuzzy. Look at that cute fuzzy. Thank you. Baby deck. Doctor, my God. The Cassavita Mexican restaurant on my right inside was the very first restaurant to open up on the Riverwalk. It opened up in August of 1946, my friend. Also, the first restaurant in the Riverwalk ever did to do with Riverside dining. The people are dining outside the Riverwalk. Tables be fed right away up the top of the business. Spend the table for the waitress. Yeah. They work with scraps all day. Yeah. See these ducks up on the street from the sidewalk level? I call that the aggressive duck. He's not going to wait for food, he's going to go in and beg. Here you go. He's got nothing else to do much more, right? See what I'm seeing? Back and look to the right. See the duck? He says he's getting fed. See? He said, I knew if I can. He says, I knew if I came up here, it would get fed. I knew it. Tell me the duck. I told you we're going to do this again. Ducks to our right over here, my friend. So they get fine. Folks, this is the Riverwalk coming to right now. It's called the HemisFair section. This section here went up in 1968, my friend. All the stonework you see out the Riverwalk was all done by hand. 1969. Right over here to my left hand side, you're going to have the Chamber of Commerce. Daytona is a really business friendly. About 1,500 new businesses opened up in the city last year, my friend. 2,500 a year before that. What's the most common type of business to open up here? Anything to do with the restaurant. Everybody knows what a food truck is, right? The city has about 3,000 of them at any time in the city, my friend. Yep. By the way, the city is so large, if you drive from one end of the city to the night, in the middle of the night, it would take you about 12 to 15 minutes to do so. It's a pretty large city, my friend. I think I drove to Boston one in the other middle of the night many years ago. Took about an hour. 3 times as long out here. So what's has anybody ever heard of the Town of America? Give you an idea, the population of Boston is 500,000. 3 times that out there. The population right now is 1.5 million. That's going to double by the year 2020. Things are on the move out here, my friend. Right to my right inside in about 1 minute, my friends, you're going to be able to get a picture of the Town of America. Town of America. All right, you know, 1 minute. Let's look right to my right inside. There it is. Oh. What a magnificent piece, right? And that looks like an air traffic control tower now. That is 725 feet high, man. And it's 925 steps. What about taking one of the elevators? Might be a little bit easier for you. Over 7 million people a year. It has 5 elevators. There's an observation deck that wraps all the way around there. There's a restaurant inside that dome. That dome won't stay 24/7. Today it's a Chart House restaurant. That's been like that for 20 years. About 7 million people a year visit all of America. You cannot kayak in the Riverwalk. You can't fish in the Riverwalk. They caught some of the jet ski in the Riverwalk 6 months ago in the middle of the night. They kicked them out. You can't do that either. I don't know how we get the jet ski down, and there's only 2 ways in here, and they're monitored 24/7 by the police. The police were taking a nap or something like the jet ski down. Anyway, they just took it away from him, told me when he was, I guess from what I heard, took him away from him when he's outside the gate to get it back home. Told him not to come back or again, and they didn't arrest him. Listen how quiet it is here. Oh, quiet. Was anybody in the Riverwalk yesterday? Anytime during the weekend? During the weekend, it's estimated during the weekend because of the Fiesta on the Riverwalk during the weekend, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it was about 3,000 people in the Riverwalk each day. How is there room for me in the sidewalk, right? Is that what you'd be saying? How do I fit? Yeah. We have plenty of room here, folks. A lot more make it. Folks, I want everybody to look at my left-hand side. This right here to my left-hand side is the San Antonio Convention Center. It's the 3rd largest convention in the country, 1 million square feet. Last year, the convention center hosted 71 different events. About 50 million people a year attend conventions here. The convention center opened up in May of 1968 at the start of the road. 2 weeks before the road fair. About $61 million to build, put stuff for 155 people. That's 6 ballrooms, 4 kitchens, 3 bars, 5 cars. Good dance, bud. Well, so when my folks look way to my left-hand side. Look at that beautiful masterpiece up there. That masterpiece is called The Confluence of Civilization. 495,000 tiles, my friend. 21 different countries. In 1980, it was all put together by 17-year-old Lisa Sherman, who designed it when she was 11. That's right. She had 4 sisters. It took her a year to put together. She went on to become a very successful architect, my friend. Extremely patient and quite a visionary, a very talented young lady. Now this part of the Riverwalk right here, this part of the convention center was called the Lagoon Sports Convention Center right here. Only opened up about 15 years ago, my friend. This set of guardrails, the guys might fill them with talking to me, a little tight tonight going through. See that bird? That bird right there, the yellow across the night here. Huh? He is not your friend. You know why? That he could be a bad bird. He likes to go to the bathroom on people. Yes, he does. Shame on you. What is he doing there? He's looking for fish. He does have quite a hairstyle, doesn't he? He's got the one strand there, like alfalfa's got the one strand kind of hanging around. So you be a nice bird. No crackers for you later if you're not being.